Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Sustainable Cosmos. In this video, we will learn about Microsoft PowerPoint and we will keep few topics which are layouts and design. So whenever you are going to start your PowerPoint presentation, first you have to decide the layout of your presentation and which design you would like to keep for your presentation. So I will keep this video a very simple tutorial so that it will help you to decide what layout and design will suit your presentation in very easier steps. So here you can see there is a button layout, and when you will click on that you will have a different options. So the first one is title slide, which we have already selected. Like here you can add your title. Suppose you have written PowerPoint presentation, and below that it's a click to add subtitle, so you can give any subheading, like you can write a simple tutorial to learn about presentation. So anything as per your content which is with you, you can write here. So suppose I would like to see other layouts, so I can click on this button, that is title and content, and then you can see it, the screen has changed, the layout has changed. My title slide is there, but subtitle has become comes into the bullet point. And if I reselect other options like section header, so it has taken this shape. And if I select to content, this means it will give you the two options, like you can have a content at this side and you can add content at this side as well. Suppose I can write here, learn easy steps for your presentation. So in this way, as per your requirement, if you would like to showcase your data into two columns, then you can choose this particular layout. And we have a comparison option also. So like you can write here advantages, and here you can write disadvantages. So if you would like to have the comparison, and then you can simply go to this layout comparison. You don't have to select so many tables and all that. It will simply, after you click here, you can press the enter and it will give you an option to add other point. So you can write here other point, and similarly here you can press enter, it will give you the different bullet, and you can write here other point. So in this way you can have a title here, and you can write advantages, disadvantages, or one technology here, another technology here. You can do the comparison. So as per your requirement, and the content which is available with you in any form, it can be in the printed form, it can be in Word file, it can be in your Excel. So anywhere you can have the content and you can paste here. So then we another have a layout that is title only, and then we can see we have a blank if you would like to keep the document totally blank. So suppose I have pressed Ctrl N, which is a new PowerPoint presentation, and here if I select blank, so it will remove all the options to add title or subtitle. It will give you the blank slide, and according to your wish or your requirement, you can draw text boxes, you can draw shapes, which we will discuss in another presentations as well. Suppose, so let me goes again to my previous presentation where we were choosing the different layouts. So after that we have a content with caption. So you can have the caption, you can have the content also. So it totally, you can see, totally depend the content you have and how you would like to present your content. So then we have a picture with caption. So you can see here there is an option like this symbol is there. This symbol means if you will click on here, your system will give an option where you can add the pictures. So suppose I have clicked on that, so it will open my screen where I have to add some pictures. So it will help me to add my pictures which I would like to add in this particular presentation. So here you can see we have many layouts, and as per your requirement you can choose any one. So suppose I have chosen a title slide, and I am going to delete all other content which I don't like to add in my presentation. So one by one I am deleting the every content that was given to me or that I have written. So suppose you can just click on the dotted lines and it will give an option to delete your content. So here you can see we have a no text from my end. So I can write here first presentation, and you can write here MS PPT. Suppose you have any content. So now we will see what the designs available to us which is pre-loaded into your Microsoft PowerPoint, so that we can directly use and showcase our content in a beautiful manner. So next to the insert tab there is an option design. So in design you can see there are many options again. So suppose with the looks I select this one. So you can see my content is there, first presentation, and MS PPT is there. So now if you would like to keep the content in this shape only, then you can reduce the size, and so that your text will be come into this particular design. So this means Microsoft PowerPoint is giving you pre-made designs, and you can showcase your content in a beautiful way. It will be not only a blank slide, a white page where you have only put your text. So your pre-made themes or pre-made design given by Microsoft PowerPoint will help you to look attractive. Your slides will be more attractive when you're going to present. So similarly, if I go to this particular design, so after selecting the design, I have to change my text, change the text size also, so that it will take the required position in my selected design. So here you can see it will look good when I will be selecting this particular thing. So let us see another designs. So let me choose this one. So here you can see my whole design has changed, and text I would like to, if I would like to, so change also. So you can see here this is slightly into some angle, and I would like to also keep alignment with my text. So here you can see there is a rotation button where I can rotate my text, and accordingly I can keep my text here. So you can see that text and the design both are into the angles, and now both are aligned also. So similarly, as per your requirement or as per your choice or as what design you like the most, you can choose from here. So there are some very simple designs as well. So again I have chosen a different design, and now this is not at angle, so I can keep it in a simple position. So here I can write my first presentation or MS PPT. So as per your requirement, you can choose the design from here. Now there is one very good option, that is format background. If you would like to give your personal touch to the existing designs, then there is an option. Suppose this is a background color you would like to change. So here is an option solid fill, and you can go to the color. So suppose you would like to keep the green, so it will change into the green color. If you would like to use the yellow, it will change to yellow. If you would like to have the red, then it will change to red. And there is an option of transparency, so that you can more darker the color, or you can make it more lighter. So by this option you can do that feature also, because you can see when the percentage was 0, my this text is not coming very brighter. So I'm having difficulty in seeing this text, that is first presentation. So I can change the transparency option, so it will give the both focus to my text and the background color also. So similarly, you can fill the gradient color, you can change all the options from here. If you would like to keep the different styles, then you can also have a texture, or you can also upload the picture if you would like to add in the background. We have pattern fill option also. So with different patterns you can choose, and this simply shows whatever the content you have, according to that you can select the layout, so that it will look good when you will be when you would like to present any presentation. Suppose you have any project presentation. So in that case, your teacher is saying the slide should be simple, it should be having a white background, and suppose you are giving presentation instead in front of your school students, then they like bright colors. So in that case, you can use all these different colors, different styles. So depends totally on your requirement and your audience, what they actually want. So if you would like to hide all the graphics, so there is an option hide background graphics, so you can click here and your graphics will go. Not this pattern, you can see there was some lines here, so I will again click on this button so you can see what we have actually made it hidden. So these were the lines, it will go. Suppose you have this design and you click on the hide graphics, so your graphics will go and the color that you have selected will remain. So after you're complete with the design, doing the designing, you can click on the apply to all and your all slides will take this particular look which you have selected. So this is a standard size of your slide. If you would like to change, so there is an option with format background, that is a slide size. Here you can see we have a by default widescreen, that is 16:9, and this is the size when you're going to upload the videos on YouTube. But if you would like to have a standard size, that is 4:3, which generally projectors screen are taking this design, so you can click on the standard 4:3 and you can click on the ensure fit option. So your design will be like your slide will not be a wide screen, it will take the size as we have a size of projector screens. So PowerPoint presentation is going to give you the many options. Now it totally depends on you how you are going to present and how you are going to display what content you have in a beautiful way. But yes, PowerPoint presentation is going to give you a lot of designs, styles and layouts. So in this video, we have discussed about layout and design. In other videos, we will be coming with more features that PowerPoint presentation is going to offer us. So thank you so much.